Now more than ever, it is vital to understand and acknowledge the value of biodiversity, as it is the very means by which we live. Food, shelter, fuel, water, income, and cultural expressions are among the many ways that biodiversity sustains us. Yet, for climate change to genetic erosion, the biodiversity on the planet is disappearing in an alarming rate. It is starting to realize that 75% of the food crops once grown have disappeared in only 100 years. We believe that by making visible the biodiversity products available today, that we can reverse these trends. The Biodiversity Products website is an evolving project. The ultimate aim of it is to educate visitors on the importance of biodiversity for local communities and show the potential economic, environmental, and social losses if we don't make biodiversity and ecosystem services inclusive to our broader development objectives. The products are as diverse as biodiversity is. You will discover products like handcrafted foods, medicinal plants, wild-harvested herbs, nuts, fruits and grains, rare honey and bee products, traditional handicrafts, sustainable fresh water and marine products, local restored endemic species, and more recognizable products like coffee, bananas, and cacao that are highly regarded for their genetic diversity and artisanal processing techniques. We welcome you to the Biodiversity Products website, the online portal of biodiversity products from around the world. This website is the result of a partnership between several organizations initially conceived by the Global Environmental Facilities Small Grants Program, which is implemented by the United Nations Development Program. The Small Grants Program, along with its partners the United Nations Green Commodities Facility, the Progreso Network, and thousands of community-based civil society organizations dedicated to biodiversity, joining together to capture the stories and value of biodiversity products and to inspire local and global action for biodiversity. Each product featured here describes the product and how it is sustainably produced, as well as the community behind the product. As you search the database, you will find biodiversity products that are cultivated, utilized, and enhanced by local communities who live intimately with the biodiversity. These communities are the stewards of biodiversity, and through the biodiversity products they achieve economic and environmental sustainability, and restore local knowledge and traditions that sustain their communities and positively impact the entire global community. Eventually, all regions of the world will be represented here. We hope that this website marks the beginning of stronger partnerships of recognizing the role that biodiversity-based products play in poverty reduction and sustainable development. We envision that through partnerships and alliances with funders, retailers, researchers, governments, non-governmental organizations, and small producer organizations, we can further improve communities' livelihoods and protect the world's vital natural resources. There are a number of ways in which you can participate in this project. Learning about the products and the communities through the searching engine tool and reading about the future products in our start cases is just the beginning. We invite you to join the Biodiversity Products Working Group in the online community, where you can share your experience and meet others that work with and care about biodiversity products. We hope you will join us to support biodiversity for your community and for the world.